Okay. So this is just a ride for like 25 minutes to the
Right?
sandbar.
No, 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
25 minutes, you're thinking a bike.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god, I'm so confused. Yeah, so 5 minutes.
I'm guessing.
Did he say 5 minutes?
He didn't say, but I'm guessing 5 minutes.
Okay, maybe 5 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
To get to the sandbar or sandbank
Mm-hmm.
on Dhigurah Island in Maldives. Yeah. But yesterday we were just there too, right?
Yeah, we are, but that ride is different because we are on bike,
Yeah. And it was fun.
and it was fun, and we showed lots of things. And today's ride is kind of quicker. That is Maldives, beautiful.
Yeah. If it is sunny, the water will be so turquoise blue.
Yeah, still I think I see the blueness, but
Oh, that is the food court.
oh, they're like, you see, they're always busy.
I think it's coconut
Coconut drink?
Yeah.
Okay.
And some snacks.
So we walked on this road like so many times, right?
Yes.
We are starting missing this road already.
You know,
Yeah.
also going back to the Tides Dhigurah,
Yeah.
you know, we lost like several times.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's true. Yeah, we lost. We're
But
getting-
now we know how to get there.
Yeah, that's
We're
true.
not getting lost anymore.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're leaving, and then we're going to Mafushi.
No, you're going first tomorrow.
Hulumale.
Hulumale.
Yeah, just one night, and then we will go to the Mafushi.
No, then we're going to Ukulhas.
Oh, Hulumale.
Yeah.
And then Mafushi.
After that, Mafushi. Yeah.
After that's a lot of
Islands? Yeah, yeah. We are
and
covering lots of islands in the Maldives.
I love Maldives now.
Yeah.
Very nice people.
Yep. Yeah.
And
yeah.
very good food.
People are really nice.
No bikini, so you will see some signs here that it means that, you know, it's not allowed to wear bikinis. But
Yeah.
there's I think one place
Designated
only
bikini beach.
that you are allowed to wear.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to wear like shorts, you know, t-shirts.
Yeah.
And there are so many like building here, like hotels,
Yeah.
right? See, like this one.
Yeah, yeah. They're building a lot of new hotels.
So this is, you can rent the, what is this? Like some gears
Yeah.
if you want some activities on
Yeah.
the water.
And this place is very good to see sunset. This is I have a feeling this is one of the best places to see sunset, which I'm going to show you in a second.
Yeah.
And this is going to be
But today there's no sunset.
hey, how are you?
Hi.
So it's right there. That's where you're gonna see the sunset.
Oh, they
Yeah,
were with us.
Yeah, they were with us on
Those
the
two
tour.
people there, they were with us.
On the tour.
Yeah, on the tour today.
Yeah.
Yeah. They recognize us?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mhm. Yeah, I think once you see the person, you will recognize when you see the next time.
Yeah. I think he's taking different route, right? I don't
Yeah.
think we went this way.
Looks like.
Yeah.
Because when you get there,
Yeah.
when you go there, it
Yeah.
was just straight.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah. So this is what a real Maldives looks like. You get to see the
You
local
will
island.
meet so many locals.
Yeah, that's true. You'll see all is like local.
I think this is also will be hotel.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow.
Oh, now we got that road. Now we got that road. We were here
Oh,
before.
I think he made
Shortcut. Yeah, I think he made a shortcut. Yeah. Right, this is the road we were before.
Mhm. Yeah, I recognize this one.
Yeah.
see lots of sounds that are like so good sounds, you know.
Yeah, like
In the
birds.
city, you
Yeah.
will not hear this.
Yep, lots
Right?
of birds,
Yeah.
crickets, insects, bugs. They're making very ambient noise.
Yeah, it's so cloudy.
Yeah.
So the weather here, the temperature is in 1 year is
Yeah.
kind of same, right? Like the
Yeah.
temperature can be between 26 to 33 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, temperature doesn't fluctuate a lot. It's
Yeah.
a very stable temperature. You can expect to be in 26 to 33.
Oh, they just walk.
Yeah, they're working.
Yeah, it's good exercise, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I'm wearing today
Oh, yeah, right.
the earrings,
That's
and it
good.
is like a shell
It's-
and
oh,
seahorse,
Seashell, yeah.
seahorse,
Seahorse?
seahorse.
This is seahorse?
Yeah, is it seahorse?
Sea star. No, I don't see seahorse.
Oh, this not maybe the other one because I have
But
another pair.
it looks like a star.
Star. Okay, so I
I
cannot see
forgot the name.
now.
Yeah.
So I cannot see right now, but yeah, I have another pair that has seahorse.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think this is a shell. Yes. And maybe
Oh, this is starfish.
starfish.
Yeah,
and
yeah. That's
shell.
what I was thinking. That what I know that name. I couldn't remember. That's starfish.
I think in one point we have to walk because the car cannot
Yeah.
go anymore farther.
Yeah, that's true.
Lots of coconut trees, palm trees.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they are cleaning up the. See, they are
Yeah.
cleaning up the mess there.
Mm-hmm. That was us yesterday, right?
Yeah.
That was us
I can see that.
on bike.
Yeah. So quiet. Is he going to stay with us, waiting for us?
I think so. Because we have to return, right? So I think he's gonna stay.
But I think that will be quick. So
Yeah, I don't think it takes long.
yeah. So anyway, guys, we are going to have a drone video here, like I and Ahmed Dawn on Sandbank, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And that will be forever a souvenir for us, of
Yeah.
the video, right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And how much is
The drone?
the drone video?
Around 100 US. It could be like a little bit less, but it's like, they're asking for
100.
like 80,
Oh, 80.
around 80, but I'm gonna ask them to do a little bit more, so they might charge extra. I don't know, but you can say like 80 to 100 in that range.
This motorcycle.
Yep.
Oh, she has parrot.
Oh, really? I saw that parrot before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we were to the
Right, we saw it. What did you see?
yeah when we were walking on the
Oh,
going to
right.
the sunset.
Okay, yeah. And the
For
parrot
sure
is
that-
just sitting there on motor.
Yeah.
You
No,
know?
it's on hand.
Yeah, and it's not scared of motorbike.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For him, it's fun.
yeah.
Fun to ride the bike, a
Mhm.
motorcycle.
Yep.
Lots of trees.
Yeah.
Right. So this is a small truck.
I think they call it buggy.
Buggy?
A buggy.
Buggy.
Yeah.
Okay, so they call this buggy, not small truck.
Mm-hmm. Something like a small truck.
And you will see later, guys, on the sandbank, both sides is water.
Oh, I think they're calling him.
Yeah. Like where you are, guys, now.
Yeah.
You are late, guys. Oh yeah, it's there.
Yeah.
I think that's nearest. No.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
oh, there are also bananas.
Yeah, yeah, bananas.
Banana trees.
Yeah. You know, still it takes long,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It's not 5
It's
minutes.
not 5 minutes, I don't
No.
think. Maybe at least 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's Buggy.
So guys, we're going to the sandbank again. So this time we're doing actually a drone shot. And we got our guys behind us. Oh, still good. What? Good. It looks still good. Yeah. It's still it's gonna be okay.
What's here is sun.
Yeah. See, there's a little bit sun there too. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't want to get wet. So they told us to take this shortcut. So we're gonna see. Yesterday we didn't come this way. Okay. Huh? Huh?
We didn't take this.
Yeah. I think it's a shortcut. So it's like we're going through the forest. Huh?
We saw it yesterday.
Yeah, I think we're going to the same place but doing much shorter. Oh, what is this? This is like a house here. We didn't see this house yesterday. Whoa, that looks nice. I wonder if it's someone's house. Huh? No, you don't see. Straight. Thanks. So, whoa, look at. You know, it's a very beautiful place to have a house here. Right so close to in front of the beach. Oh my goodness. We came here, right? Yeah, but we didn't. Yeah, so we came here, but we didn't take that path. We took like longer path. I see kind of sun sneaking out a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I think he would ask us again to go to the forest, to the right.
Yeah.
Going to the thing.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's us.
So we saw these whale sharks yesterday, and it looks like it's low tide right now.
Oh my god, everything is happening.
Yeah. And the whale shark, these are made of sand. But when you came here, it was like really sunny. and we're kind of burning in the sun, but now it's a lot. Yeah, I think we're going straight. Okay.
So you can keep your belongings over here.
Okay.
So first we will take some shots in this side, yeah,
Okay.
and then after that
Okay.
you can go to the sandbank
Okay.
and just walk.
Okay.
And when you walk, always walk from the middle, yeah.
Okay. Middle.
Mostly
Just middle
middle.
of the
Okay.
sandbar.
You can go and come back,
Okay.
and then while you come back, just lie down in the middle,
Lie
Okay.
down.
looking up.
Oh.
Okay.
So I'll take from above,
Okay.
and then again you come back, and then we will take some lie down shots on the beach and water.
Okay.
Okay. But you will be with us, right?